Today we're looking at the Veger MagOn magnetic power bank. This was very kindly sent to me for an honest review. They did not ask us to say anything in particular, neither was we paid for this review. I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick this up. Also, Veger have provided you guys with a 15% discount code, which is YTM15. That's all in capital letters, YTM15. I'll put it on the screen below. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. So before we start, let's take a look around the box. So this is the front here. The side there just shows you a bit of details. As you need 12-month warranty. Just the back. That's the side, shows you some of the ports and the power bank. That is the power bank. So now let's have a look at the power bank itself. So here we have the wireless charging pad, I believe. A very durable lanyard which comes already on the power bank. Some name and specifications. The bottom here we have some ports. On the side here these are light indicators, and this is our power button. So if we press this power button, it will awaken our it awakens our light indicators. Now if you do want to charge less power devices, you would long press this button for 2 seconds and it would just put it into low power mode, which you would charge your earbuds and smartwatches, for example. Now if we have a look on the bottom here, as you can see we have 3 ports, a USB-C port, a USB-A port and a lightning port. The USB-C port holds up to 20 watts and it is both an input and output, so you could charge your devices and charge the power bank with it. The USB-A port holds up to 22.5 watts. Now this is standard and output port, so you only could charge your devices. The third port is a lightning port. So what lightning port as in the charger you would use for your iPhone devices. This holds up to 18 watts. This can be used as an input and output as well. If you look at the front ring here, this is a magnetic wireless charging pad which holds up to 15 watts. This power bank is especially designed for iPhone 12 series and 13 series. Also, this power bank can charge your device from 0 to 60% in 30 minutes. You can charge 3 devices at once with this power bank. Now I'm going to show you a demonstration of the power bank charging an iPhone 13 Pro Max wirelessly and wired. So now let's fit this ring. So as you can see the ring's there. I will be using this install guide to get it as close as possible. So now as you can see I do have the magnetic ring fitted, so now let's test it. So if I press the power button again, and now if I put the power bank on the back here, you can see charging, and I've tipped it on the side, upside down, front, and as you can see it's really strong now. So now let's look at some of the ports in use. So if I turn the power bank on, so first we're going to plug in the earbuds. Now I have a USB-C to USB-C cable, so I'll plug that in there and then I'll plug it in here, and as you can see we've got a yellow indicator on the earbuds that's charging. I also do have a wire cable, USB-A to lightning cable for my iPhone in case you wanted it to be charged wired. Plug that in there, as you can see it's on charge. As I've said before, this power bank can charge multiple devices at once. In conclusion, I really do like this power bank as it is small and very lightweight. Veger have told us that it weighs around 6.24 ounces. I also like how good it is as a travel companion. Link in the description if you want to pick this power bank up. Also, don't forget the discount code, which is YTM15. If you found the video useful, a like would be much appreciated. Also, if you've got any questions, put them in the comment section down below, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.